Hello everyone, I am Nishal Kadli, Tech Manager at Pelf Infotech. Welcome to today's Tech Knowledge on SOLIDWORKS MBD. Today we'll go through in short how SOLIDWORKS MBD helps you to increase your productivity and enabling the paperless manufacturing. Let's go to the environment and see how MBD is integrated in SOLIDWORKS 3D interface. This is an SOLIDWORKS 3D GUI where you can see MBD has been loaded as an add-in. So you'll find this in add-in. So you'll find a different options available in SOLIDWORKS MBD. So before we start and go ahead and see how 3D PMI is generated or created for this particular housing model, what would be the conventional approach of creating PMI data in 2D environment? If you could see, this is a 2D drawing created for a housing. This drawing consists of 50 plus dimensions with GD&T. Generating time for this drawing would be hours of time, which leads to reducing the design productivity. So let us see how this productivity can be increased and we can achieve the paperless manufacturing. So let me take you to the SOLIDWORKS 3D environment where MBD is added. So I showed you this is a housing model which I'm interested in creating the 3D PMI data. So let's start with creating an auto dimensioning scheme. So once I select on auto dimension scheme, there are different settings in this. Start with part type. I would be interested in creating this prismatic, as it looks like a prismatic part, not a turned one. Second option, tolerance type. I would be interested in having a geometric tolerance for this. Followed by pattern dimensioning, I would be interested in doing a linear one. Then it comes to the datum selection. So as per my process requirement, I would be selecting the required datums. So datum for this part would be the first whole one would be the primary datum. As you can see, SOLIDWORKS MBD has defaultly selected the patterning. So I would be not interested in selecting this whole as in pattern, as it is a single datum. Select a simple hole. Secondary hole as similar. Turn off the patterning. Tertiary datum would be this phase. So I'm done with selecting the primary, secondary, and the tertiary datums. It comes to the third last point where we need to select the scopes. Scope of point, I have option of selecting all the features or selected features. As I'm creating a process PMIs, I would be interested in selecting a required or selected features. So I'm selecting these holes. As you can see, SOLIDWORKS has automatically detected the patterning. I'll be selecting all the required holes for this process. I'm done with selection of holes. Let's go and click OK. Once you click on OK, you'll find automatically all the PMIs are generated as per my requirement. If you can see, I have made a pre-settings which gives me detailed PMIs data with base dimensioning instead of having a chain dimensioning. As you can see, all my dimensions are referred with my baseline dimension with my datum A. Also, you can see the MBD has detected or created the PMIs with all GD&Ts and my datums. So this is my datum A. So if you can see, this is my datum B and datum C. So you can see how quickly the PMI is generated using SOLIDWORKS MBD. Now it comes to a point where I need an output of this particular 3D PMI. So I can generate output in the different formats. One is 3D PDF, publish to eDrawings, and publish to step 242. I have ready-made created a 3D PDF. Let me show you directly. See, this is a 3D PDF template, customized template, which I have created, which can be done individually as per your standards. So where I can populate or I can link the custom properties of my models directly into the 3D template. If you could see, I have created this is a view where I have created all the PMIs. So this is not in 2D, it is in 3D image where you can rotate and see the PMIs for good visualization. Followed by you can do a customized view capturing. So if you can see, I have customized in a different views, different front, right, left, any of the views required views can be captured. So this is how simple way we can have an communication. We can share this data. Not only having a PDF, we can share this export file in the form of step 2 photo as well. If you could see, this in 3D PMI model which I've created in SolidWorks has been exported in the form of step 2 photo. This step 2 file can be shared with the customers, vendors, or any of the third parties, so that like if they have any of the native MBD model installed, they can open it and they can see this all PMI data. Hope you have enjoyed this particular video. Thanks guys. For more information, you can visit on www.pelfinfotech.com, or you can email for any queries at support@pelfinfotech.com. Thank you.